Welcome back, readers. So in this video, we're going to take a look at day 7, holding items. And in this one, our challenge 1 has been broken into two parts, challenge 1A and 2B. In challenge 1A, we are asked to create a new project and name it holding key. Then we are going to get a key sprite, group it together, and we're going to make a costume for our cat named no key and one called cat with key. Then we're going to code it so that when the cat touches the key, the costume changes to cat with key. So let's get started. Alright, so we're going to name our project holding key. And as always, share it. And let's go inside. So here we have our cat. Let's just name it cat. And we need a second sprite named key. First, we choose a sprite. I'm going to do a search for key and select the key. Now, with the key being selected, I'm going to go to its costumes and choose the selection tool, the arrow. And you'll notice that the key is made up of lots of different pieces. Well, I don't want that, so I'm going to do Control-Z over and over till it gets back to normal. Then I'm going to click and drag. Click up in the corner and drag across so that I select everything. And I'm going to click the button that says Group. Now, all of these pieces have been grouped together, and whenever I go to move them, they all move as one. Alright, so I want to make another costume for our cat, in which this time the cat is holding the key. So I need to copy my key and paste it on my cat costume. So I've selected the key. I'm going to press copy. I'm going to go to the cat, choose the second costume, and press paste. Move this out a little bit. I think it'll look better if the key is at a little bit of an angle, so I'm going to use my arrow here. Sort of move it at an angle, and now it sort of looks like our cat has the key. So let's name this one cat with key. And let's name this one, I forgot what we named that one, no key. And name that one according to the instructions, no key. Excellent. Alright, so let's get our cat and our key in nice starting positions. And we're going to code it so that our cat walks across, touches the key disappears, and the costume changes to cat with key. So let's go ahead and start writing this code. So starting with the cat, we want it to start when the green flag is clicked. I want it to go to this location. So go to where it is. I want it to change the costume to no key, and I want it to show. Okay. Then for my key, when it starts, I want it to start. I want it to go to its current location, and I want it to show. Alright, so now, when we put these wherever and we hit our green flag, they come to where we want them. Let's now put our cat to move. So I'm just going to do moving to the right. If you need a tutorial on how to make things move, go back to day 1. Day 1 of our challenges, and in our day 1 challenge, you will see let's see what you need to know in order to make the cat move. And let's have this, copy that into the key cat. So let's get that out of the key. Cat now. And now, when I press the right arrow key, our cat moves over. But we want to now say when the key and the cat are touching, we want the costume of the cat to change, and we want the key to disappear. So we're going to come in and put a forever loop with an if-then. And the if-then is inside the forever because we want it to run over and over and over. We don't want it to run just one time and wait. We're going to grab the sensing block that says if touching and then change the key. So we're inside the cat. So we're going to say forever change our costume to Cat with P. Let's press just that. And you can see that our costume changed to Cat with P. The second part is we want the key to disappear when they're touching. So let's say forever. If touching the cat, right. Just run it, and now when they touch, the key goes away, and our costume switches to the cat with the key. One more time, and that's exactly what we want. That's how we code a sprite to hold